Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Ademola from Afra Creatives. Today I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to add files and content on your Google Drive in case you want to share to a particular service provider or a client. So first and foremost, let's go to our browser and open Drive, just google.com, or we can, let me open a new tab, come to this section. You can see this Google Apps, click on it, come straight down and select Drive. It will open your drive also. So first and foremost, you're sharing a file. I would advise you to create a new folder first. So I'm going to create a new folder by coming to new and creating a folder. As you can see, we have new folder, new file upload, new Google Docs. But for now, we want a folder. Let's create a folder. Let's name the folder. We'll name the folder with you understand. You can name it any name you want to give it. So let's click on create. Now, before you continue, I always tell anybody that wants to use this, first of all, add the person you want to share this folder with. Add it like by clicking on share. It will ask you to give access. So let me add people. I've added a lot of people to my content here. Let me add I'm going to add new. Okay, I'm adding myself. I'm adding as an editor, a viewer, or a commenter. But most of the time, if you don't want them to disturb or delete any of the files, you leave it as a viewer. But I can leave this as editor in case I want the person to add extra files into the folder. So giving access to the content of this project. So after this, and I click on send, it will notify the person you are adding by email also. Now let's open our folder. We want to share files like images, logos, zip files, docs. So we can add a Google Doc here. Create in a shared folder. Yes, create and share. So once I create this doc, it will be inside the folder in which I just created. Okay, so I'm going to type in, once it loads, I'm going to type in the title of the doc and put in some just Lorem Ipsum text. So I'm going to type in the Lorem Ipsum, then I'm going to Ctrl V. That is just a default coding text. I'm going to put a title into it and content 1. You know, this is just for sample purposes, and it automatically save itself. You can see it has been saved. So if I come to this other folder here and I click on refresh, you can see we have our first document inside. So I can come to my images. Let's type Windows E. I'm going to come to documents. Okay, I'm going to select this particular image. I'm going to drag and drop into this section here and drag and drop into this section here. So it means I've uploaded my images and my content. So everything is being seen by the person I'm sharing this particular folder with on their Google Drive. So you can create multiple folders into this same folder also. Let's create a new folder into this folder. You can see, create a new folder. Let's say home page. For example, you have an home page in which you want to create the content for the home page will be inside this folder, images, text, and the directions you want them to go also. So you can create multiple pages with content and the likes. You see? So that's all for today. My name is Ademola once again from Afra Creatives. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day. Take care.